Hello, everybody, and thank you for joining me. Today, we're going to do a little bit of analysis on Bitcoin. Um, hey, there's been a lot of volatility in this price lately, up and down. Where's it going to stop? Where's it going to go? If you're as confused as a lot of folks out there, well, you're definitely in the right place because that's what we're here to solve today. So, a few things we're going to cover today. We're going to cover the Fibonacci extensions. We're going to cover an ascending triangle. We're going to make some sense out of all this confusion and this volatility, okay? And then we're going to cover some supports and some prices where we may go. So with that in mind, before we get started, guys, and get into the video, please be sure and subscribe and leave a comment below saying that I've subscribed, and I will personally reply to your comment, okay? And also a thumbs up would help, as it makes a huge difference. Okay, guys? With that in mind, let's get right to it. Now, first things, let's talk about this. Price structure lately, you can see I've drawn this ascending triangle. Okay, just trying to show you guys a little bit of analysis. Okay, boom, boom. Look at this. Now, this is a nice trend line that's been forming. This is going way back in December. Okay, so since then, we have a nice structure that's formed here. Okay, and it seems that we're following along the path there. So again, it becomes quite predictable, as well as to find what levels we're going to go to, as well as where we have been. You'll want to watch the whole video, guys, because I'm going to give you the price projections at the end. Okay, so make sure you stick around for that. Okay, so following this pattern here, you can see the middle of our channel here. Okay, I've drawn the Fibonacci extension for you. Okay, just to give you an idea. And you can see here, guys, we've talked before about these levels more than a few times. Now, look here, guys, we ran up to the 48,000 level, remember? And, of course, that was based on the Elon Musk news, you know. So where did it go? Went right up to this 48,000. Look at that. Our 0.786 Fibonacci is right there, making some sense out of this movement. There's always a pattern, guys, if you look. I can always tell you what's going to happen. Can't tell you when it's going to occur, but I can tell you what's going to happen. So with that in mind, guys, we've developed a nice support here at the 0.618 Fibonacci, okay, which is right at that 44,000 area. You've heard me talk about it before. If you haven't, you might want to go back and listen to my older videos, as I do cover this before. So we're looking right now with the pullback, as you can see, is now happening. We're going to look to see if we can get a good support to hold here. As you can see right now, this, by the way, this is a daily time frame we're looking at. But you can see right now we're stopping there, which is nice. Of course, we're not done just yet, but we're going to see if we can get a good support hold right here, and then see if we can't move on up. And if we follow the pattern of this, again, the middle of our channel, notice it coincides here, which would put us, I'd say, next week, week and a half. So, but we're going to see how it plays out. Again, if for some reason at this 0.618 Fibonacci level does not hold, then of course we'll go down to, again, number I've talked about numerous times, the 41,000 area, okay? So that is a 0.5 fib. Now, there is an awful lot of support there, guys, and very strong if in fact the 44,000 does not hold. So, but you notice here, we touched 48, like I said. We busted out of our pattern earlier, that triangle that we used to talk about, right? And that was at that 38,000 and some change area right here, as you can see. So we ran up, we touched that 41,000, we came back, and we grabbed a little bit of support here at the 38 and some change, and then boom, we had a nice little move up. Okay, now again, we're looking to see if we can hold this area here. Okay, now with the Fibonacci's, notice here, guys, if we can get a pattern that will come down, we can form a support either here or in the 0.5 fib, then we're going to see we get a nice move back up. And of course, the extension, we want to see if we can get up through the 48,000. That's the 0.786 fib. Okay. Now, if we're managed to get through that point, the one Fibonacci is the 53,000. Now, I talked before in the past. I mentioned the 51,000. You have to go back and watch my old videos, guys, because I don't always. I like to stick with the here and the now, but I did touch upon this before. I mentioned the 51. But really a range was the 51 to the 54. So here you can see right now, guys, if we can get up through this pattern and get some good strong movements, that's really going to be a target that we're looking to format. Okay, so that's just to give you an idea. So where we're at, guys, is looking to see if we can hold here. Boom, boom. Okay. So, but I wanted to just really point out today, guys, this parallel channel. We've talked before about the ascending patterns, guys, the ascending channel. So, and I wanted to notice the predictability of this, guys. We could go back time and time again in the past and show you this, but again, we're looking to see where we hold here. So with that in mind, my target now, guys, once we get formed again, is going to be that 53,300 area. That's really what we're looking to do. Okay. And again, guys, this is on a daily time frame. So I'm going to be doing Ethereum analysis next. I'm also going to be doing either today or tomorrow. I'll be getting into Litecoin and Zcash. So stick around for that, guys. Make sure you hit that like, share, subscribe button if you like what you hear. And again, remember, thumbs up, very important. Would really help out the algorithms. I'd certainly appreciate that. So with that in mind, guys, if there are any feedback, any questions that you have, please feel free to comment, and I'll get right back to you. Okay? With that in mind, everybody, you have a great day.